And then that first one, you can either do debit or credit. Which would you prefer?
Can I get back to you on doing this for sure?
We're doing the bugs out here. So
no,
with
thank
these,
you.
just saved me a lot of breath.
Yep, you're right.
Thank you. Hey, just to let you know, if you do change your mind, that's my card there.
All you're doing is killing our pollinators.
Oh, dude, that's illegal. We don't do that.
Bullshit.
We just do the
bugs
ants.
are killed.
All right, if you change your mind, let me know. God bless you, bro. So I'm out here training these gals right here. We're just doing some bug
party.
Yeah, dude, it's fun. Ants and here, look at this, bro. I'll get it for you. 1 second. This is free, okay?
I think we're good.
Okay.
Right? Yeah, we're good.
There's a Tacoma that my buddy, he redid. He threw a diesel engine into it, bro.
Oh shit.
Landlord didn't do a damn thing for the bugs, let's be real. And so you guys are left on your own. I don't know, the bugs paying rent around here or no? I'm playing. So basically we want to do the full flush out for you, okay? What's your name?
Greg.
Greg, I'm Austin.
Can I get back to you on doing this for sure? I just want to see, because I'm good buddies with my landlord. We went to high school together and stuff.
Telling you,
So
dude.
I'm going to talk to him and see if he'll at least split the cost with me.
See that?
Yeah, right up here.
Yep, the wasp nests.
Okay.
So the wasp nests have been bad, and then the spiders too. What's a good number for you, dude?
920.
How do I spell your last name, dude? Email for you. What's a good email? gmail.com. What do you do for work?
I work for Murphy, so we do maintenance on apartments and stuff like that.
How is that?
It's not bad. It's good work.
Good.
Busy all the time.
You said debit or credit for that first one?
Debit.
All right, brother. You got that memorized like my wife does? Okay, and then the expiration date on that is? It's Greg, 123. Dude, I'm really big on customer service. Now, if you're seeing bugs in between, I need to know. A lot of people, they'll see bugs and they don't tell me. I'm like, dude, I gotta know. I don't got spidey senses, you know? They're gonna give you a paper copy.
Like the hot buttons or everything, you just kind of like assume the hot buttons, and he was just like, oh yeah, I definitely do. So.
Yeah, people are like, well, how do you find hot buttons? You just say, I know you're getting the ants. Okay, how about you, bro?
I love the way you just overcame every objection in the book. Right? Probably.
You guys got to see a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
And in case the crazy lady shuts down the other one, we have one, you know? It says, can you not read? This was literally this morning's correlation to a T, right?
To a T.
That's gonna bring it all the way down to just 149 bucks. You guys see there's a reason why I'm dropping the price, okay? There's a, what kind of price is he getting? The townhome price. There's a legitimate reason why it exists. So townhome price is just 149. Listen, the only thing I ask for you, after the service is over, leave me a review, man. But if I go ahead and do that for you, you think you could shoot me that review? And cut. People who live in duplexes like to feel like homeowners because they don't have a full home. Same thing with townhomes out in Atlanta. They typically have nice cars. They typically like to, you know, have the services, the Ring doorbell. He has a Ring doorbell there. They like to feel like they have a little home because they have not a full home. If you look at townhomes traditionally, especially if they have decent income, they're gonna have a nice car, they're gonna be put together. That guy was a really put together dude. Like really cool guy. So go crush. This March 3rd, I'll be hosting the Mazer Sales Training Arena. And every speaker is somebody who has changed my life personally. Andy Elliott, who's a personal mentor of mine this last year. Ben Kerr, the man who inspired me to create Mazer Sales Training. Jeremy Davis. And Brian Lund, the guy who turned me into a freaking monster and helped me lose 50 pounds. All these guys are gonna be speaking. They've all changed my lives. And so I want to put them in front of you. Guys, I'm going to sell this thing out. We only have 340 tickets available. Go to my Instagram and click the link in the bio to reserve your ticket today. We've got a general admission option. We have a VIP option that's going to come with some swag and closer seating. And then we also have an overnight retreat for 2 nights after the event where you actually get to spend 2 days with me, and it's going to blow your mind. So go click on the link in my bio on the Instagram and let's get you to this workshop. And heck, if you want to go to that next level, come to the retreat with me too and spend 2 days with me. Let's go. Back to the video.
I didn't do it.
I didn't do it either.
Oh, man, the family's coming. What's going on?
Hey, name's Austin. I'm doing the bug service out here, sir. We've got our truck in your neighborhood today.
I'm good.
I'm good too.
But I mean, I'm good bug-wise.
All right then. Well, look, you mainly doing it yourself, right?
Yeah, I do. I get the.
I got you.
And we haven't had it bad.
I mean,
but
it
I've
ain't
been doing
bad,
it for years.
Yeah, no. You got
If you keep up on it.
Listen, you got the beard. That means you have to be doing it yourself, right? Or if you're bald like me, right?
Or if you're old.
Yeah. Well, how old are you?
76.
How you been living so long?
I don't know. I just had, in February, I had double spinal surgery.
Ouch.
And that was the 18th surgery in 9 years.
What advice you have for health, bro?
Don't get any kind of arthritis or any of that kind of stuff. Or
All right.
boy, I used to run. I used to run 100.5 200 miles a month.
Yeah?
And
That mess you up?
oh yeah.
You think walking's better?
Swimming.
Swimming, okay.
I have 3 in my neck. I have a battery. Well, you can see it right there, I think.
Bro, yeah, I can see it.
Yeah, the battery runs in there, and it runs up into some nerves in my spine.
You're quite frankly the Terminator.
I don't know what the hell I am. I'd rather be the Terminator or the exterminator.
Yeah. Well, I'm the exterminator.
There you go. Yeah.
So look, I want to take the job off your hands. Listen, you've been running too much. You've been doing way too much stuff. I need to do the bugs.
I'm good though, buddy.
Look, man.
Appreciate it. I'm
Hey,
good.
take care. You're a good dude.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
You got good energy, man.
You know what though? It's almost a contest.
Who can be the happiest?
So who can win? Is the pain going to win, or are you going to win? And
You're winning, dang it.
last year in 52 weeks, I had 103 medical appointments.
You're kicking butt, dude.
So I'm still kicking ass. I'm
What is it? Kicking ass and taking names.
kicking ass and taking names.
Let's go, baby.
Thank you, sir. You have a good day.
Take care.
It's easy. You just
What'd I do?
smile. You just smile for the picture. And
What do we do now?
And then it goes, so then it's like a be real. So it's like you're being real in the moment.
Oh, cool.
And then you post it.
We're gonna work our way down the other way and back. So you asked what I need to do when I need a reset. Caffeine. Or a drink, or a snack, or I'm just like, I just cut back on calories. So I used to pound a protein shake and all this other stuff. I'm like, I just need some of this and I'm good to go. Just when I do for you tomorrow, it'll be $74. After that, I'm just gonna keep it at the $74 a month. If I do that for you, Ben, that sound more reasonable?
That's fair, but I think I'm still gonna pass.
Well, thanks for your time, okay?
Absolutely. Have a good luck.
Hey, God bless. I knew that he probably wasn't gonna be a buyer. He just didn't move. Hard to get him engaged. I have 2 live sales from today where I moved the guy. It was just textbook this morning training.
No, I just spray myself.
I think you got the garage that looks like a do-it-yourselfer. I'll be real with you, man.
Hey, you know, my kid just cleaned it today.
Looks good,
We
dude.
moved in November and
I like your tattoo, the Serenity Prayer.
half of it, yep.
What happened to the other half?
My sister's got it. So when we stand next to each other,
Oh, dude,
it's full.
I like that.
12 seconds later.
She
Yeah,
was
'cause
in prison like 5 years.
Boy, that escalated quickly.
Different day, okay? Take care now.
Yep.
Number 1 sales call in the world.
Howdy.
Hey, no, thank you.
You know what we're doing? Okay. We didn't talk to you yet.
Any particular reason you want to talk to me?
I'm only gonna help you if I can. I'm not here you're like,
Well, but what are you trying to peddle?
I'm only selling if you're buying it. We're doing the bug service. Do you have somebody yet or still not yet?
What?
We're doing the pest control
You haven't
service.
answered my question. What do you want? What do you want?
I just said we're doing the pest control. Do you guys want to sign up or no? No, I literally don't care if you sign up. I still get paid.
No.
Okay, cool. Have a good day. On tomorrow's service, you guys won't be here, so I'll just treat the outside for you guys, and then literally as soon as you guys get back home, call me, and then when you guys are home, we can treat the inside. The thing is, the inside is always included. I'll do it as many times as you guys need. My priority, though, is to nuke them on the outside so that they don't get on the inside. But basically, the way it works is we'll always call you guys before we come out. Who's going to be the better person to call? Is that going to be a Ryan or a Brandy thing?
Probably. I don't know. It depends.
Wrong answer.
I just have to ask. I just want to know who's going to be the best person to listen, in my house, this is no shot on you. My wife's the only person that knows what's going on. Brandy, what's your number?
920.
What's a good email for you, Brandy? So a lot of companies, they lock you into 5-year contracts. That's insane. Oh my gosh. So, okay, so here's what I'll do just to help out. Because I know you need this. If I didn't think you needed this, I wouldn't be trying to pull strings for you. Check out the townhome pricing up there. What I'm gonna do for you just to make you feel a little bit more comfortable moving forward today, because I mean, I can tell that you want to do it. It's not that you don't want to do it. It's just, hey, the finances, but this will be the cheapest utility bill you have. What I'll do for you just to make this an easier decision, I'll put you on my townhome pricing. I'll just do the first one for just 69 bucks a month. 69 for the first, and then I'll just speak 69 after that. If I do that for you, man, that sound more reasonable?
I think I'm gonna pass.
Gotcha.
And it's great. Don't get me wrong, it's great.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
it's not the cost, like I said.
Well, no, it's not the cost. I just,
The cost right now.
well,
All my
the,
liquid just got poured into that driveway.
literally, right?
Literally.
Yeah. All right, man.
But yeah, next year definitely.
Cool. Dude, you rock.
Thank you.
Thanks for your time, brother.
Yeah, thank you.
Enjoy your night.
Yeah, you too.
That was one where I'm like, oh man. Did you do the driveway? Did he do this? Driveway? Yeah. Did you guys already redo it? I was so confused. You're like, I just did that, and I'm like, I walked down, and I'm like,
No, I just put the
holy
deposit
crap.
down. He only needed 50%, but I'm like, I just want to pay it all because I didn't want to finance nothing. So it's like, I'm like, here you go. Here, went to the bank, pulled out 17 cash, and drove it over there. I'm like,
Bam.
here you go, dude. Get me on the schedule. And he's like, all right, I'll call you. That's what I'm saying. Like, once this is done, then I want to keep ants and everything out of it.
If you paid in full, it goes down to 65. We multiply that by 12. I didn't realize that you would pay in full. I mean, would that be something you'd be opposed to? Just trying it out for a year?
Next year, yeah.
Dude, you're the man.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, thank you. I'm glad that this was not the final project.
No.
Bro, I walked off, I'm like, this guy right here just told me that he did the driveway. Either one thing, he did the driveway and it looked bad.
I'm gonna do the driveway.
Or he told me he did. I'm like, what? Okay. Hey, see you, bro. This episode is brought to you by Ghost Energy Drink. Actually, not really. Please sponsor me. If you're low energy this summer and you're not selling as many deals as you want, you should be on my course. We just sold multiple deals today, and I'll show you exactly how I did it. That's why you need to invest in yourself. Pay the money. If you don't pay the money, you don't pay attention, and go see how I do it. Guys, the stuff that you see on the doors, you'll be able to translate directly into your own doors and make more deals. You have to sell less than one deal a month for the investment to pay itself off. Don't be small-minded. Invest in yourself. Treat this like a career, and go all in. I'll see you guys back in the video, but invest in the course. Let's go. You guys got to see me pound through doors.
Yeah.
Like, oh my gosh. But you see how I worked an area? I'm like, I'm just gonna keep going.
Yeah.
Sometimes that's more valuable to see, and sometimes it's like, wait, if I have a slow day, it doesn't mean I suck. It just means, hey, the right person hasn't come yet. And so that's one thing to remember too.
I don't suck, I just haven't found them yet.
That's what I say.
Yeah.
I'm like, I just haven't found the deal yet.
That's good.
So why would, you just gotta make sure your thoughts serve you. So if you say things like, I suck, or I'm no good at this, or maybe this wasn't the right thing to come out here, that doesn't help. So then you spiral really, really fast. And then that's when you have those like breakdowns. It's okay to have emotions. Emotions are what allow you to connect with people. But I like to keep an even keel when I knock. So that's why, like, yeah, I didn't sell this block. So these are blocks, right?
Yeah.
So I almost look at them like individual days, right?
Yeah.
I went out and knocked with you guys. We got really freaking close.
Yeah.
But I can't let the fact that guy didn't grab his nuts and buy, okay, that's what happened. I can't let determine whether or not I had a good session with you guys.
Yeah.
Because there was so much value to be had in this. But the reality is, yeah, I mean, it's okay to be frustrated, but that frustration should just motivate you to push harder.
Yeah.
And then go to more doors. If it prompts you to not work as hard, that becomes an issue.
Yeah.